This Gunite swimming pool and patio renovation was done in Garden City, Nassau County, Long Island, New York. We installed G44 limestone coping, 2 inches thick, and French pattern limestone G44 for the patio. In the pool waterline, we installed porcelain tiles, which they happen to really blend in closely with the color over the patio, even though they're two different products. The pool finish we used is the Diamond Bright Tahoe blue. Very pretty blue color, not too dark, not too light, and which still gives us a natural appearance to the water. This is the latest Gappsi backyard renovation done in Garden City, New York.